Hello, bad guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Entertainment Lab, and in this video I will tell you what to watch on Netflix in August 2020. So set your reminder so that you won't miss any of the epic shows. As usual, many new and old shows are coming on Netflix this month, and also some big one like Lucifer and Project Power will hit the platform this month. So without wasting time, let's jump right into it. And please hit the subscribe button. It's give me motivation so that I can make more videos for you.
No, Batman and Robin, that's a movie. This is real life.
We doing this.
Immigration Nation is the most important TV shows of 2020. Releasing on August 3rd, Immigration Nation is the social and cultural documentary about immigration in the US. The investigative series follows the work of US immigration and customs enforcement agencies, known as ICE, over 6 episodes. Immigration Nation also shines a light on those immigrants who are part of ICE system and takes a deep look at US immigration today. When Trump's come over to power in 2017, he implemented a zero-tolerance family separation policy, tearing children and their parents apart. The Rain is returning for the third and final series. It is releasing on 3rd of August. The Rain follows the story of two Danish siblings called Simone and Rasmus. The pair shelters in a bunker when a virus carried by rainfall wipes almost all humans in Scandinavia. The siblings leave the shelter 6 years later, hoping to find other survivors and searching for a safe place to live. Season 2 finished in a dramatic fashion as Rasmus was captured by Apollon, a shady company that kicked off the Rain apocalypse. There is also a number of other cliffhangers to clear up in the final season, after it was released that Sarah has the virus. Season 3 will bring the loose ends to close and whether the virus can be stopped once for all. High Seas is a Spanish mystery series with Season 3 releasing on August 7th. As last season saw Barbara pull into port in Rio de Janeiro, it is uncertain whether or not the next season will pick up in Rio itself, or if there is another leg of the cruise. Season 2 had a lot of paranormal story arcs, so that might continue next season. Conclusion of the last season was pretty open-minded as well, so the story could go in many different directions. Project Power is an upcoming American superhero film. It stars Jamie Foxx, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, and Dominic Fishback in the main roles alongside Machine Gun Kelly, Rodrigo Santoro, Amy Landbreck, and Alan Maldonado. It is scheduled to be released on August 14th. A drug that imbues the taker with superhuman abilities for 5 minutes. It chronicles a man's quest to rescue his daughter from the sinister force behind the drug while assisting new allies. The series, which is based on the true story, had fan grip wondering how it would end back in season 1. The release date of the second series of the show is Friday, August 14. The series of the show was based on the true story of John Meehan and Deborah Neville, and was inspired by the podcast of the same name. It centers around a story of love going wrong after show's protagonist John manipulates his new partner. The success of the series inspired a documentary of real life story called Dirty John: The Dirty Truth. Lucifer Season 5 will debut the first of its 16 episodes with a Netflix premiere on August 21st. It is the biggest show of this month. Season 4 ended with Lucifer and Chloe finally admitting their feelings for each other, but the heartbroken devil decided to leave her and return to the hell to prevent an apocalypse on Earth, foretold in the prophecy that seemed legit. And another imposter is coming as disguised as Lucifer in the absence of real one. As I am very excited to watch it, and for sure it will not disappoint you and anyone. Biohackers is a new German language series coming to Netflix following the recent success of Dark. Netflix has announced new thriller series Biohackers will be released on platform on 20th August. The new series looks at the world of biohacking, which is a science of optimizing your body and lifespan through everything from genetic enhancement to medicine. This is examined through the eyes of the university student called Mia as she begins her medical degree. According to Netflix official synopsis, when Mia begins her medical degree, she seems like any other student. But when she gains the trust of the brilliant Professor Lorenz, it becomes apparent that she is hiding a secret so big it could change the fate of humanity. Season 1 of the shoplifting drama ended with a cliffhanger with a group of girls in trouble. But thankfully, the show promises to answer all our questions in the final season. Trinket Season 2 premiere on August 22nd. This will be the final season. We accept Season 2 to continue from the previous season and explain if the girls will kick their shoplifting habit. Comment down below for which shows you are most excited about. And if the video is helpful to you, hit the like button and please subscribe to the channel. Peace.